Welcome to my another new video. In this video, I'll be sharing most popular phrases that you can use in your English. I'm raring to go. I'm raring to go. I'm raring to go. It means I'm ready to start. I'm ready to start. I'm ready to start. Okay. For example, I'm raring to go my new vision. I'm raring to go my new project. It means I'm ready to start my new project. Next one is bowled over. Bowled over, bowled over. It means impressed, impressed, impressed. Example in sentence. I'm really bowled over by having a buffet dinner. Means I'm really impressed by having a wonderful dinner last night. I'm really bowled over to hear the news of my friend. Next one is map out. A map out. A map out. Map out. It means plan something. Plan something. Plan something. Example in sentence. I'm mapping out to develop my English. I'm mapping out to learn a new language. Next one is marred by. Marred by. Marred by. Basically, it means spoiled something, spoiled something, spoiled something. For example, the place is marred by throwing garbage. The program was marred by misplanning. Next one is commendable task. Commendable task, it means laudable task, laudable task, laudable task, praiseworthy task, praiseworthy task, praiseworthy task. For example, developing a new skill would be a commendable job for anybody. Developing a new skill should be a laudable task. A laudable task. I mean a commendable task. A praise or the task. Let's talk about petrified up. Petrified up. Petrified up. Petrified up. It means scared something. Scared something. Scared something. For example, I'm petrified of spider. She's really petrified of cockroach. Most of the people are petrified of looking at snake. Are you petrified of ghost? Now, next one is shrugged by. Shrugged by. Shrugged by. It means dismissal, dismiss something or ignore something. Dismiss something or ignore something. Example in sentence. The program was shrugged by COVID-19. The wedding party is shrugged by long-run strike. His birthday party is shrugged by misplanning. Let's talk about a greenhorn. A greenhorn. A greenhorn, it means infledging, infledging, infledging. A greenhorn, it means someone is not experienced with something. For example, I'm a greenhorn in German language. I'm a greenhorn in cooking. It means I'm not good at cooking. I'm a greenhorn in playing hockey. I'm a greenhorn playing cricket. I'm a greenhorn playing chess. Basically, I don't have good skill of playing chess because I'm not good at playing chess. You can use these phrases in your own English and take your English to the next level. If you like my video, give a thumbs up. If you are new here, subscribe on my channel to obtain upcoming all videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.